Hello and welcome to the Cheap and Easy Cooking Show. Are you ready for today's episode? Let's get into it. Today we'll be making quick and easy tortillas. If you have about 20 minutes, you can make these delicious tortillas. I like to start off with some hot water. I like to use this kettle because that's quick and easy. Get your flour and level it off. I like to sift my flour whenever I do any baking. Measure out your hot cup of water and pour it into your butter and salt mix. Don't forget to stir it. I forgot to stir it in this video. I did it afterwards off camera. And please be careful, it is very hot. Then you're going to mix all your pre-measured ingredients into one bowl. You're going to throw in your flour, baking powder, and of course your hot water, butter, and salt mixture. I used a spoon to mix this up. I was not going to stick my hands in there because it is extremely hot. I wanted to mix this up a little bit before I went ahead and put it into my stand mixer. You don't have to use a stand mixer. I have one available, so I'm going to use it. If you don't have one, then you're just going to have to knead that tortilla mix for a couple of minutes. Now I will summon my stand mixer. This is pretty easy. Just go ahead and empty the contents of that bowl with a spoon or spatula. This process is easier without your hook attached to your stand mixer. And like I said, if you do not have a stand mixer, you will have to do this by hand. So please be careful. It is very hot. Attach the hook to your stand mixer, close it, lock it. I put mine on for about 7 or 8 minutes. During that time, I found something else to do, wash some dishes, and this is how it turned out. And I'm using my Mainstays reusable silicone pastry mat. This will run you about $5.97 at Walmart. And you're gonna break up the big dough ball into smaller dough balls. You can store them in the mixing bowl from the stand mixer earlier. Flour your hands and your rolling pin or stick. I use a stick that my aunt gave me. Works very well. Super simple, super easy. If your tortillas don't come out round the first couple of times, don't worry about it. They're going to taste the same. Just do your best and have fun making them. Mine don't always come out round, and I've been making these for years. And your tortilla should look something like this. I see a lot of people using a comal or they use a frying pan. I use this hot plate. I got it at HEB for 20 bucks. Works very well, and you can make up to 3 of them at a time. I wanted something to go with these tortillas, add some leftover chicken, and I used a 1/4 teaspoon of these spices right here. You can, of course, use whatever spices and herbs that you want. Put these into my frying pan and mix my chicken around. Mix that chicken. And the aroma that's coming off that pan is absolutely fabulous. It smells really, really good. Woo! Somebody help me. Yes. And I like cooking from home because you know exactly what goes into your food. And to me, it just tastes better. And I'm going to cut up some tomatoes for my tacos. I'm going to cut up this tomato into little squares. Bite size. All right, here we go. Throw some tortillas on there. Yep, soft. Put down some of my chicken. Some pepper jack cheese and tomatoes. And you are ready. Not round, not perfect, but definitely very tasty. and very easy to make. And I think I'll just take a bite. And maybe another one. Awesome. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know how it turned out. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.